Hey guys, just received a ZL1 push button start, so let's go ahead and install it. Alright, so first things first, we have to remove the trim, then we will have to remove the screen and pop out the dash a little bit out to get the hand under the push button to push it out. Alright. Alright, trim's out. Alright, so we're going to use a 7mm socket. Okay, don't want to drop it, so got a little magnet here. Alright. Now let's slowly start pulling this thing out. Here we go. Just gonna put a little towel here and rest it right on top, so not to scratch it. Alright, now let's remove these other two bolts. Here we go. All right, it's out. Just undo the harness. Okay. The new button's in. Here we go. Careful, let's pop everything back in exactly as it was. Make sure there's no gaps. Everything's in place. Okay, now let's put the 10mm bolts back inside. And carefully put the radio back in. And to finish it off, 2 bolts and a plastic plate snaps right back. That's it. And that's the install of the ZL1 push button start. Take care until the next time.